Hello YouTube, this is Clint. Today I'm going to play a piece for you called Yellow Bird. This is for a class that I'm presently teaching. I'm going to play this a little bit slower than I ordinarily would, and because I'm not mic'd, I'm going to play it a little softer. So turn up your speakers if you want to hear it. Students, check out the notes below this video. Yellow Bird. Thank you very much for watching. Students, if you have any questions or comments, please call or email me immediately. Be sure to check out my website, ukulelestrummers.com, and my new awesome website, pacificislandhooks.com.